How to earn money in the Shopee app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to earn money in the Shopee app. First, sign up and participate in activities like check-ins and games. When shopping on Shopee, you earn coins based on your purchases. Also, leaving reviews for products and sellers earns you coins. Try to invite friends to join Shopee using your referral link to earn referral rewards. Look out for challenges and events where you can earn coins by completing tasks. Use Shopee Pay for purchases to potentially earn additional coins. Redeem vouchers offered by Shopee to earn more coins. Check for daily rewards and promotions by logging in regularly. Also, follow Shopee's social media. They offer additional opportunities to earn coins. Collect coins to redeem discounts or vouchers for future purchases. This system incentivizes engagement and loyalty on the Shopee platform. Enjoy shopping while earning rewards through various activities. Keep an eye on ongoing promotions to maximize your coin earnings. Remember to review Shopee's terms and conditions for earning and redeeming coins. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.